Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie and I like to upload cleaning videos and vlogs and other random organizing videos. And today I'm going to organize my hallway linen closet. This is situated between our bathroom and our bedroom, and as you can tell, it's in need of some organization. It has some areas that are a little more nice looking than others, but I definitely need to go through this and have peace of mind when I open up these doors, because right now it's a jumbled mess. So if you're in need of some motivation to clean out your linen closet, then stay tuned and watch this video and hopefully you'll get some. So I'm going to begin by taking out everything. I'm going to leave the blankets down here at the bottom, but everything else I'm going to take out and I'm going to put it on my bed so I can sort through it. Okay, so I got these shelves all cleared out. I'm going to wipe them down, but I'm going to leave this stuff down here and even this bath stuff down here too. I received all of this for Christmas. I already have tons of toiletries from the hotels I stayed at when I was a flight attendant, so I won't be needing these anytime soon. And there's no space underneath my bathroom cabinet, so those are going to stay put there. And now I'm going to wipe down the shelves. Alright guys, this is everything that was in that closet except for the bottom area. And I'm going to go through it all. It's going to be a fun journey, but I'm going to put something on the TV and get it done. And I think I forgot to mention, I will be doing this Konmari method style where I'm only keeping the things that I love and that we absolutely have to have, and anything that does not serve a purpose I will be getting rid of it.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you.
Okay, so this bin here is where I house all of the stuff we use on our skin for like summertime, springtime, and if we have like sore muscles or bruises. This is what you can put on bruises to make it less noticeable and heal quicker. And then I have all my like extra makeup bags and just smaller travel bags, I should say, on the side that I don't use every day. So I'm all done with this bin.
There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, ooh,
so I'm going through all of our sheets and pillowcases. This is what I'm getting rid of so far, and I'm so happy I went through them because I came across the pillowcases that go with our comforter. Although they look like completely different colors now, but that's okay because these are the king size pillowcases, so it'll be back in the back. I'll replace this with the dark gray ones. So happy that I found those. Okay, so I got all of my like massage stuff in here, like this thing you put over your shoulders, a warmer, and this foot massager here. This thing I got for John that he never uses, and my massager I got from Korea, that is thebomb.com. I want to start having like every Sunday a little pamper night with me and my girls where we use these massagers and we do our nails and just have like a girls pamper night. This bin here is pretty much empty, but I'm a weirdo and I like to keep containers in like small box bottoms so that I can use them to like organize drawers and stuff. So I always keep these just in case I'll need them in the future and I have to hide them from my husband or else he'll throw them away. So funny. Hey guys, so I just wanted to hop on here and say I hope everybody's doing okay during this craziness that's going on right now with the coronavirus, and I hope everybody's safe and doing okay. And I also want to say thank you so much for all my new subscribers, and thank you to Lillian Things for shouting me out the other day on her vlog. I'll link her channel down below. She's so sweet. Her vlogs always have so much good material in them. I love watching her vlogs, so make sure you guys go check her out if you're not already subscribed to her. Y'all, this is all of me and my daughter's nail stuff. She received like so many nail polishes for Christmas presents this year. So we have an abundance of nail stuff, and this is actually all my gel nail kit stuff. So I am going to go through this, but I can't get rid of many nail polishes unless they're like old and dried out, because this is also my 12-year-old daughter's collection too, so I don't want to have to get rid of stuff that she might want to use eventually. Alright, I have consolidated our nail stuff into these 3 plastic storage containers. I was surprised by how many of these haven't dried up or gone bad. I mean, some of these I've had since Korea. Like, I believe this one is one that I got when we lived in Korea. And it's like still usable, so I'm not going to throw it away if I can still use it, right? Okay, so I've just been given word from my husband that he is okay if I donate all of our old sheets because they made him too hot. He likes the kind that we have now, and I can donate all the rest, so that is gonna free up like almost this whole bin, because I believe there's like 2 or 3 sets. So that's good news, because then I will move this stuff into this bin and free up this bin. Yay! I'm getting rid of all of these, and now this is all I have left for sheets and pillowcases, and I freed up this, which I think I know what I'm gonna do with it. Alright, I found the perfect items to go in this bin, and it is all of our medicine. I originally had 3 containers like about this size of all our medicines, and they were labeled differently, like skin and vitamins, and this one was kids medicine. And then I had this one that was cold stomach and headache, but I just put it all in this one bin here, and that way I could, because we don't use the medicine that often anyways, so we can just pull this whole thing out whenever we need it instead of having to grab a separate one accordingly. And these are actually all the things that I had to throw away. This has like icky medicine that had leaked out from the children's medicine. All these are expired, and all this is trash, so it worked out perfectly. So this is where I'm keeping all of my essential oils. I wish that I could have these upright, but the container's not tall enough, so I had to have them on their side, but it works. So I just went through these 2 bins here and ended up getting rid of this much stuff, and I found 2 hand sanitizers, which is like gold during this coronavirus scare that we're having right now. So I'm happy that I decided to organize my linen closet, because otherwise I would have forgotten all about these 2 babies. But yeah, in this one I just have like extra contact solution and glass cleaner and contact lens holder, eye drops, and there I have like anything that deals with teeth and flossing, and some extra mini toothpaste, and this cool thing that goes in the dark that when Haley starts losing her teeth, we can open this up and put the tooth in there, and the tooth fairy leaves money, so that's pretty awesome. And then in here I have a bunch of random stuff that I'm keeping just in case, like earplugs. I bought those for flight attendant training. I didn't end up even using them, and my old glasses, and an extra glass case. So yeah, I'm keeping this stuff just in case. Okay, so this is hair stuff that strictly Haley uses. So I'm going to put these in her room with all of her hair accessories. So since the weather is getting warmer outside and we're going to be needing sunscreen more often, I'm going to take this downstairs and put it in our garage. That way we have easy access to it whenever we need it. And I have freed up almost a whole storage bin right here. So I'm going to be putting all of the skin stuff that we don't use as much into this bin. This is all the stuff that I will be donating. So yeah, that's quite a bit. Okay guys, so here's the reveal. It feels so much better to have a nice and clean, organized linen / hall closet. Like, things like this just make me so happy. I should have taken the time to paint this wood board now that I think about it, because it's kind of an eyesore, but maybe I'll get that on my next round of cleaning out this closet, because it'll probably be another 6 months when it's dirty again. So let me take you through and show you what all I have. So this is my linens, bed sheets, and pillowcases. This is all the pamper stuff. that I showed you guys earlier, but I also put the blow dryer and extra hair products, styling tools in there. I have all the travel bags, and I also have the cold towels for like our Disney trips in the front there, and a little fan for when it's hot outside. Over here I have all of our extra containers. Here is everything for our teeth and eyes. This is just the random stuff that I showed you guys earlier. This is all of our medicine, and in this little storage bin I have like alcohol, witch hazel, and hydrogen peroxide, so I use that for cleaning and skin stuff, so I just keep it right here. This is all of our extra electronics, and down here I have all of our extra hair products. Here is all of our skin products. These are all the extras. Look at all the stuff I accumulated from the hotels. It's crazy. Here's the light bulbs. And in this one I put our extra essential oil diffusers. I want to get them out and start using them again, but I need to do more research on which ones are okay to use around pets or not. Our dog has seizures, so I'm just kind of leery on using them and having pets. If you guys know anything about that, leave it in the comments below. That would be greatly appreciated. And over here I have my extra oils, extra pillows. This is all my extra nail polish and my gel nail kit. These are our extra beach towels that we use during the summer. Down here is extra blankets that the girls can grab if they need. And these are quilts and the heating blanket. And down here is more bath care products. So the outro is going to be a different background. None of this stuff is labeled in the outro. I actually found the labels going through my daughter's stuff. She had these labels for some reason and she didn't want them, so I was like, yes, I'm going to label this. And yeah, the next scene's my outro, and you won't see things labeled. That's why. So yeah, overall I think it turned out pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you some inspiration to organize your hall closet / linen closet. And if you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. I plan on doing lots more cleaning videos and organizing videos because it's just something I enjoy doing. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.